Let me tell you something most people never hear. Your bank account knows you better than you know yourself. It knows what you run to when you're stressed. It knows what you sacrifice when money gets tight. It knows whether you're building a future or buying distractions. And the wild part, it doesn't lie. It doesn't care what you meant to do. It just shows you what you did. Your bank statement is one of the most brutally honest documents in your life. No filters, no fluff, no pretending. It's not just numbers on a page, it's a mirror. And once you understand that, once you stop treating your bank account like a boring record and start seeing it for what it really is, everything changes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to read that mirror, how to use it. Not just look at numbers, but see meaning. And I'll show you how to flip that mirror into a tool that works for you, not against you. And how to rewire your entire money identity from the inside out using tools you already have. This is not about budgeting apps or quick tips. And if we're being real, you're probably tired of hearing the same advice over and over again. Budget better, cut Netflix, skip the coffee. This is about clarity, ownership, transformation. Because if your money is always leaving you, maybe it's time to look at what it's actually saying before it goes. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your money the same way again. And that might be the shift that changes everything for you. So if you're interested in this, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Flourish in Wealth, where financial freedom begins. You ever avoid checking your bank app because you already know it's bad? Yeah, I've been there too. You open the app like it's a horror movie, half looking, half ready to close it again. But here's the problem with that. You can't fix what you won't face. And your bank account? It's not just a record of what happened. It's a mirror of what's going on underneath. Look at your last 10 transactions. Not just the numbers, look at the pattern. Are you investing or escaping? Are you solving problems or soothing pain? Because your money always flows towards your beliefs. And if you believe you'll never have enough, guess what? You'll keep proving yourself right. That's why this matters. Because when you treat your bank like a mirror, you stop blaming the reflection and start changing the choices that created it. Most people think money is just dollars and cents. Something you earn, something you spend, something you wish you had more of. But that's surface level thinking. Money is feedback. It reflects your choices, your fears, your desires, your beliefs. Every dollar you touch is a decision. Every swipe, every transfer, every just this once, it leaves a trail. And if you follow that trail, you'll find your priorities, your fears, your future. If someone gave me your last 30 bank transactions, I could probably tell you what you value more than your own words can. Because money doesn't lie. It's not influenced by mood, memory, or intention. It just tells the truth. Let me ask you something. If your money story was a movie, would you be the hero or the hostage? Because there's a villain in your story too. Comfort spending, emotional avoidance, guilt, shame, trying to buy back time you never had. We throw money at the wrong things trying to feel better, and all it does is create more regret. So we avoid the mirror. We don't check our balance. We ignore the bank statement. But ignoring the mirror doesn't fix the reflection. You've got to face it. If you felt this, head to the comment section below and type mirror flipped. Make this your new beginning. Alright, moving on. Let's do something practical, yeah? I want you to go into your banking app and rename your accounts. Yep, I'm serious. Don't just leave it as savings or everyday. Call it Future Freedom. Call it Dream Builder. Call it Problem Solver. Why? Because names carry meaning and meaning creates behavior. When you move money into Dream Builder, you're not just saving. You're aligning your actions with your identity. This small shift actually turns every transfer into a declaration. You're not just surviving anymore. You're building something. And when your brain sees that message every time you open your banking app, it starts to, rewire your choices. Alright, so here's where most broke people stay stuck. They try to fix their money without fixing their identity. But if you still see yourself as someone who's bad with money, every change you make will, snap back to the old default. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your self-image. So when you say, I'm just not good at saving, or I've never been responsible with money, that becomes your ceiling. You've got to shift the narrative. From I'm broke to I'm rebuilding. From I can't save to I'm learning to direct my money. Words matter, because they shape how you show up. So when you rename your accounts, you're not just playing with labels, you're rewiring how you see yourself. And honestly, that changes everything. Alright, let's get tactical. If your money is a mirror, then your system is your frame. You need a structure that reflects what matters to you, not just what's urgent. Here's what I recommend. First, Rename your accounts to reflect purpose. Second, assign every dollar a job, even if it's just $10. Third, use automation. Treat your goals like non-negotiables. Fourth, create a stupid mistake buffer. That's a small account just for those random slip-ups, so they don't sabotage the rest. And fifth, track weekly, not just monthly. Weekly gives you momentum. This structure isn't about being strict, it's about being clear. Because, clarity creates confidence, and confidence leads to consistency. So here's the final truth. Your bank account is more than a balance. It's a mirror. And it's reflecting the person you're becoming. Not to shame you, not to guilt you, but to show you the truth. And the truth is, you're in control now. Every label you rename, every transfer you make, every choice you repeat, it all adds up. Not just in dollars, but in identity. So go rename your accounts today. Even if you've only got $10 to your name, call it seed money. Call it comeback cash. Call it next chapter, because money doesn't move until you do. And when you flip the mirror, you flip the future. If you got value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And make sure to check out my other video here for more money tips. You won't want to miss it.